Hi everybody, this is Andy from Skills for New Media, bringing the latest reviews, tutorials and creative experience online. And today I'm going to be teaching you some new Excel skills. So make sure you like the video, share the content and subscribe to our channel. Let's give this a go. Why hi there everybody and welcome back to Skills for You Media, and this is video number 3, creating a user VBA form and using the drop down or list box function within the user form. So already we've created this very simple spreadsheet where we've got the name, the age, town and county. We've created a user form which you can put the person's name in, and when you tab it moves to the next field, and then when you press the first letter of the town it goes to that town, and same thing within the county. So now what we need to do is create the coding behind to bring this information into the actual spreadsheet. So how do we do that? So first of all we're going to go back to VBA, and we just need to take a mental note of the different command buttons. So cancel is command button 1, so what I'm going to do is I'm just going to copy that. And then I'm going to select the user form 1 over here and click view code. Now from here I'm going to type in private sub. Click. Okay, so basically the words they're saying is when you click command button 1, click bit here, do something. Okay, so what we're going to put in here, because it's cancelling, we're just going to type in unload me. Okay, so that's done. So you can test it out. So when you go to your spreadsheet, click on user form 1, cancel, closes it down. So again, cancel, simple. We go back to VBA again, go over to user form, right click, view code, and then we're going to do command button 2. So command button 2 will be clearing out the details within the age and also the name. So one thing I need to work out is the name of the invisible boxes that we've created. So again, I'll go back to the form. So the first invisible box is 2 and the second one is 4. So I'm just going to take note. Go back to user form, right click on view code. Text box 1, value equals nothing. I copy that. So again, copy, same thing. So that's 4. And that's that done. Okay, so let's just test that as well. It's always good to test out once you're actually done each bit of coding. Just putting anything random in there, again, that works, and also cancel. Right, so let's do the next bit, is the harder bit, which is submitting the data code. So from here, go to user form, user code. So this is private routine. So I'm just going to, I did a copy and paste there, and box 3. So we're going to type in dim empty row as long. Okay. Next bit, we need to activate the sheets that we want to put the data within. So this is called sheet number 1. So you can label it whatever you want, but make sure that your coding states that. So we're going to go to sheets, sheet 1, activate. Go to sheet 1 and activate. Now, I'm just going to write a comment. Determine the next empty row. Okay, so this is finding the next empty row within the data set. Okay, so from here, I type in empty row So this is the variable equals worksheet function dot count a range and then I'm going to be counting in A, column A, close brackets, plus 1. Okay. Now from here we're going to go cells, so empty row, it's got to be exactly perfect, empty row, column 1 dot value equals text box 2 value. Okay, so what I'm going to do is just test this out. So I've saved that. I'm going to go back to our drop down. I'm just going to type in some random data. Okay, so it's inputted into there, so that's perfect. Okay, so I'm going to go back, since I know that that works. Go back to VBA, again, user form, left click, right click, view code, then return. So what this is saying is there, find the next empty row, and then in column 1, put the value of the box of text box 2. So I'm going to copy that. So if you remember, the age is text box 4, so I change that. So that's going to go into column 2. Now from here, so we're just going to copy that data, so we know what's going in 3 and 4, but we're going to change this part over here. So I'm going to go back to user form, find out what the name of the list boxes are. So it's list box 1 and 2. So I'm just going to copy that. Click on user form 1, right click view code, go into these lines here, and so what we're doing there is getting the value from list box 1 and list box 2. Okay, so let's go and test that out. We go back to our spreadsheet, click on user form 1, put a name in there. Okay, so let's select a town. Holborough, don't know where that is, but hey, I'm sure somebody will correct me, and they're going to be in East Riding, Yorkshire. And there we go. Data gets put in there. So if you can think about it, if you left these as just user or user would type these in, you know, you could think that you'd make mistakes. Whereas when you've got a whole list which is correct, then you're not making mistakes. Okay, so again, we'll just clear that. And what we could have done there is when we actually clear it, change the value here. So what I should have done as well within this list here up the top, what I should have done is TBA in each one of these, or actually to complete. Okay. So we'll just try and test that out. So let's go back to here, to complete. Okay, so then each time, okay, so I'm going to put a name in there, Andy Moore, Moo, 95. Select a town there, Haley, East Riding, don't know where that is. And so it completes into there. So there's a couple of things we do need to make a couple of adjustments. Okay, so from here, click on user form 1, view code. So once we've actually submitted data, basically we need to clear out that user form. So what I'm going to do is take this information. Remember when we clicked on the command button 2, it cleared out the text box that we put some data in. So I'm going to copy that and place that down here. So each time we submit, it's going to basically clear the name and the age. Okay, be able to do that. The same equals to be completed. Okay, I think we're nearly done there. And save. So let's just test the user form again. So let's put that up the top here. Let's put a name in there. James C. 74, 78, which is pretty old. Choose any type of town. Submit. Okay, so that didn't work, so I'm just going to take that out. We can go back to that another time, so I'm just going to close that. So I'm here. Just to make a couple of adjustments anyway to the user form. So I notice that's not exactly aligned, so I'm just going to bring that down from the top. 13. Bring that down by 10. 52. Looks about right. That one probably needs to be moved down by 2. Or maybe a little bit more. That one needs to be moved down by a lot more. So I make that 140. And then just save. Okay, so I think we're like actually there actually. So let's just Teresa 45, 54 even. Add any child in there. Submit, clear. Okay, so there we go. There is our video number 3, which shows you how to do list boxes within a VBA user form. I hope you learned something new. I hope you enjoyed the video, and I hope you subscribe to the channel, and I shall catch you on the next video. See you later.